Hi, my name's Dan, and today I'm going to be covering elastics. The purpose of elastics is basically to keep your teeth in one place while your orthodontist will be trying to move other teeth with the tightening of wires. Now, with these particular bands, they're basically like rubber bands, and you'll get a variety of different sizes where you can get some that are really small, basically with much better tension, and then you'll get ones which are quite loose in comparison, which will feel a lot better. um, and basically, this was all brought together by someone who watched my previous video and wanted me to make a video based on actually putting them on, because they're going to be going through a similar sort of treatment, and I thought it might be helpful to make one that everyone could view. With a pack of these, you're going to find that there is a tool inside, which is basically just like this. Now, this tool is really difficult to use. Feel free to try if you want, but I'd probably recommend against it, just because it's really fiddly, and when you're trying to put this onto the brackets with a rubber band, trust me, it's not easy. So what I suggest you do is get one rubber band, which is really not a rubber band, and then basically you want to hook it on and then drag it down to the teeth that you want it on. So in summary, you've got the proper way, which is by using the tool, but ultimately I would say that doing it with your fingers is a much easier process, just because you've got a lot more control over where you want it to go, and also there's not a chance that once you pop it off the hook, it's just going to bounce all over the place and go completely wrong. Your orthodontist will give you usually around 2 bags of these to last you for about 6 weeks in total, which is the typical sort of wait time between appointments. And what you will find is that you might want to request a couple of extra bags. I tend to find that I take them off when I'm eating. I find it's really difficult to eat when you're eating with elastics, because you can't really put food in your mouth properly, so it doesn't make too much sense, even though orthodontists do recommend it. I wouldn't do it personally. So that concludes the video. We covered the purpose of elastics, the types of elastics, how to put them on, and also the way which I would recommend, which if you do that, it's going to be a lot easier, and before you know it, you'll be a natural. So if you do have any comments about the video, if there's anything else which you would like to see personally, please do let me know, because I've only got my braces on for probably another 2 or 3 months maximum, so I want to try and give you as much content as possible, and yeah, I hope I can help moving forwards. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the comments below.